Hey guys, I'm gonna show you my cool plush. He's from Mario. He's one of the villains, and I'll surprise you. So let's get started. Let's open this. Oh god. Oh my god. Pretty small. Yep, it's him. Oh. Oh my god. Look, it's him. One of my most plushes of all. It's Lemmy. And I always wanted them so bad. You see, it got a wand there. It has a nail there. And it has a tag that says it's from Senshi. Is it from Senshi? Yeah, it's Senshi. I think it's Sanai or something. Super Mario Chinese version or Japanese, I don't know. And so yeah, this is really cool. Like, I always wanted him. And I'll show you my brother Junior that I showed you last time. Yep, he's here. See, my Koopalings. That's all the Koopalings I have. So yeah, he's pretty cool. And I'll show you. Bye bye everyone. This is. And see, his eyes are like, they're kind of mixed up, but who cares? And yeah, this is my plush for today, and bye bye.